Hello kids. Hello kids. How are you? Good morning. Reenu again here with same chapter of history with 7th class, and today the next topic we will do the Khilji dynasty. We will discuss about Khilji dynasty, and this is related from your book Footprints, page number 23 and 24. You have to go through these pages. Okay. So earlier we have discussed about Mamluk dynasty, or we can say slave dynasty. In previous topic I explained you about slave dynasty. Who were slave, what were they, and from where did they came, and how did their ruling was end. Now some important and so strengthened and so cruel, we can say so cruel dynasty people came in contact, and they made a new dynasty known as Khilji dynasty. Mamluk were succeeded by new dynasty of kings in 1290. When was it organized? It was organized and end of the slave dynasty, or we can say slave और Mamluk both are same word. Yesterday I told you दोनों एक ही word है. तो मामलुक डायनेस्टी का एंड कब हुआ? 1290 डिग्री AD में. So then it is started to know about Khilji dynasty. After the end of Mamluk dynasty, it changed into Khilji dynasty. The Khilji ruler came into power, and they strengthened. They made their, and what was their need? What they wanted? They wanted to spread themselves all over the India, not only one part of India. After then they will go to South India also. Okay, they wanted to conquer or spread ourselves within India. Okay, so they came into power. They were not so good. They all were very cruel, rude, and not kind people. Little bit kind, but maximum rudely behavior people. First founder of this Khilji dynasty was Jalaluddin Khilji. What was the name of the first founder? Jalaluddin Khilji. His ruling time period was 1292-1296 AD. What was the time period? 1292-1296 AD. Okay. They came. First they established, they made their capital Delhi. उन्होंने सबसे पहले दिल्ली को अपनी कैपिटल एस्टैब्लिश किया. उसके बाद वहाँ पे अपनी पावर को लागू किया. ओके. एंड व्हेन ही केम इन पावर, हिज एज वाज 70 years. He was 70 years old. Who was 70 years old? Who was the founder of Khilji dynasty? Jalaluddin Khilji. So you can see, अभी एज लिमिट है, उस टाइम में कोई एज लिमिट नहीं होती थी. किसी भी एज में पावर में किंग आते थे, सुल्तान आते थे. सो ही वॉज माइल्ड मैनर्ड बट एज वेल एज काइंड रूलर. ओके. एंड ही वॉज द फाउंडर ऑफ खिलजी डायनेस्टी, कॉल्ड एज Klimsi Jalaluddin. People usually say him this name, Klimsi Jalaluddin. This was a popular name for the Jalaluddin Khilji. What did he wanted? He wanted to establish peace all over India country. Okay, but as well as rule without violence. Rule without violence. Always some founders were there, those who were very much violent, but he was non. Okay, वो नहीं चाहता था कि violence हो, हिंसा हो और हिंसा से rule किया जाए. He wanted to establish rule without war or he wanted to establish peace. He appointed Alauddin Khilji. After the his successor was Alauddin Khilji. After the Jalaluddin Khilji, the second ruler came into contact was Alauddin Khilji. His ruling time was 1296 to 1316 AD. What was the name? Once again listen carefully. Alauddin Khilji, and his ruling time period was 1296 to 1316 AD, and his general name was उलूग खान. लोग उसे कॉमनली किस नाम से बुलाते थे? ही वॉज नोन एज उलूग खान. ओके, एंड ही कैप्चर्ड वन रणथंबोर. फर्स्ट ही एस्टैब्लिश हिज डायनेस्टी हियर. ओके, आफ्टर देन वन बाय वन he defeated and captured Malwa, Chittor, Dhar, Mandu, Ujjain and Jalore. He captured or he conquered all over the country, state in India country like Ranthambore, then Malwa, Chittor, Dhar, Mandu, Ujjain and Jalore. These was the places where he ruled, and he was well managed, well settled person, well administrative person, one of the but first Sultan who attacked to South India. He was the first ruler who came in India for the purpose of conquer. Conquer means उसकी एक क्वेंच थी, थ्रस्ट थी. क्या थी? कि मैं पूरी की पूरी इंडिया कंट्री को कैप्चर कर लूँ और उस पर रूल करूँ. ऑल ओवर इंडिया कंट्री का मैं हेड बन जाऊँ. ये उसकी बहुत बड़ी क्वेंच थी. क्वेंच होती है ऐसी प्यास जो मतलब बुझती नहीं है, आगे से आगे जा रहे हैं, करे जा रहे हैं. उसके बाद में उसने अटैक किया साउथ इंडिया पे. सो ही किल्ड हिज फेथफुल अंकल. इन दिस कंसर्न ही ऑल्सो किल्ड हिज फेथफुल अंकल, है ना. ही वॉज मोर रिलायबल टू हिम, एंड he also established, he did lot of reform related to administration system, and he also established his military department. His military was well maintained, well furnished military was there, and system was fixed for the military. He organized his forces and pays his soldiers officers according to their rank. Like Diwan-e-Arz was the head of military department. Who was the head of military department? Diwan-e-Arz. And the spies were kept unit. Okay, आर्मी का जो स्पाई था उसकी भी एक पोस्ट थी, लेकिन सबसे बड़ा जो हेड है उसे दीवान-ए-अर्ज कहा जाता था. एंड डेली एक्टिविटीज मूवमेंट ही यूजुअली ऑल्सो चेक्ड. आफ्टर देन condition of land revenue. What was the revenue system? He measured and shared the government. He gave the fixed revenue to the people. Okay, fixed revenue system was there in their dynasty, and Mustaq Raz was the officer, head officer for the responsibility of land revenue. What is the name? Mustaq Raz. He was peasant, but he was the most important person to collect all the revenue, land revenues. Now, what was the condition of economic level? What was their economic measures? If we discuss about his economically measures were so important and so good for common people. Large number of efforts he did in his dynasty. He fixed land tax. Name is Kharaz. What we name? उसने खराज कर लगाया था. He fixed खराज, and after then ensured the peasant were not burdened any further. अब उन पे peasants पे, peasant कौन होते हैं? Who are peasants? जो lower without wages worker होते हैं, low income पर wages करते हैं, उन्हें कहा जाता है peasants. So he controlled market policy, lowered the prices of all necessary items. What are our necessary items? We use daily: food, grain, sugar, cooking oil, clothes, etc. These are the fixed items, and as well as animals, horses, slaves, and maid servant and concubines. These were the things he reduced prices for them. After then, he made his dynasty as well as Khilji were also always scared of nobles. So the noble used to conspire against the kings. Okay. In order to keep the nobility under check, Alauddin introduced certain steps. He used first to 4 level. First 4 levels surprised by the Alauddin Khilji. So listen carefully, one by one I am telling these 4. First is audience. He took back the land grant to the noble. ओके ये स्टेप है एक 4 स्टेप से ही उसका पूरा का पूरा इकोनॉमिक लेवल जुड़ा हुआ था. फर्स्ट ऑडियंस. ओके एंड द फर्स्ट ऑडियंस ही टुक बैक द लैंड ग्रांट्स to the noble. The second audience was about the revival of spy system, and third audience prohibited the use of wine. Wine completely banned in that time. Okay, and fourth audience, social gathering of noble were banned, and they had to take permission from Sultan for intermarriages. Social gathering, nowadays it is also banned, social gathering, but that time also taxes were there for the social gathering. First audience, secondly paid taxes, thirdly for the social customs, and fourthly for any kind of wine, these type of other irrational society, bad evils we can say, they were completely banned in that time. देखो वाइन पर बैन लगा हुआ था. मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंटली सबसे बड़ी बात, नहीं तो जैसे बोला जाता है कि अर्ली टाइम में मोस्टली पीपल यूज़ करते थे, है ना, बट इसके टाइम पीरियड में कम्प्लीटली बैन था. नोबल और कॉमन पीपल और एक रैंकर और एक कॉमन पीपल के बीच में स्टेप बाय स्टेप इकोनॉमिक लेवल सेट था, उसके अकॉर्डिंग इसकी इकोनॉमी चलती थी. सो टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू close this topic. Tomorrow we will discuss about next dynasty. So further I will provide you one worksheet. You have to watch this video carefully, and after then read once again from your book carefully, and further I will give you questions. You have to solve all the puzzles. Okay, have a nice day. Bye bye.